when I found this truck, it was stock. It had stock wheels and center caps and lug nuts, everything. The rubber mat in it, it wasn't rusted, and it had a ripped driver's seat. And that's all I wanted to keep it at, just like that. But I'm just going to put just a plain old 350 in it, just plain exhaust everything. Just make it just that. God damn, when I come home, my buddy took all that siding off of it and stuff. Oh, let's check, make sure there's no rust under there. You know, whatever. How much do I owe you now? So, man, it just went on and on. I wanted to keep the original gas tank in that spot and everything. I didn't want to put all that shit in there. Therefore, I had to keep the exhaust going two over here on this one side. I did all that. One day I lost an argument with myself again. God damn it, if that ain't gas tank out, I got tools running out through there. This wasn't even thought of. I don't know what kind of argument I lost there, but it was a bad one. I'm still drinking, I guess.